Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to our jQuery video tutorials. In today's sessions, we will explore an exciting and powerful JavaScript library, jQuery. If you have ever felt that JavaScript can be complicated and time consuming, don't worry, jQuery makes web development much easier and faster. So let's get started. So first of all, what is jQuery? jQuery is a fast, lightweight and easy to use JavaScript library that helps developer create interactive and dynamic websites. It simplifies common JavaScript tasks such as selecting and modifying HTML elements, handling user interactions like click and creep presses, creating animations and effects, making AJAX requests to fetch data without reloading the page. With jQuery, you can write less code and do more. So next is what you should already know. So before learning jQuery, you should know HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Even if you are new to JavaScript, don't worry, jQuery make it much easier to work with. So next is why use jQuery. Before jQuery, developers had to write long and complex JavaScript code. jQuery simplifies this process by providing pre-built functions. Here you can see why jQuery is so popular. So first is simple and short syntax. You can achieve the same results with fewer lines of code. Next is browser support. Cross browser compatibility works smoothly on all major browsers. Next is beginner friendly, easy to learn and understand. Then the next is lots of plugins, many ready to use plugins to add extra features. Let's see a quick example of how jQuery makes coding easier. Now you can see here is the example of hiding a button on a click. Now you can use using a JavaScript. You can write document dot get element by ID my button dot add event listener click functions. Then we write here these dot style dot display none. So here is it. Its button is hide. Now you can if we write in a jQuery, you can see here it's jQuery. We use a dollar sign, then we use a button address like hash my button, then dot click functions. Here is our function. Then what we write here, we use these dot hide. Then you can see here is the easiest way to write a jQuery code. Now you can see here is the JavaScript code. Now if we click on this button, now you can see here, if we click on this button, now this is the this button is hide. Now then when we using a jQuery, now you can see here is the basic code of jQuery. Now if we run this code, now when I click, it is also hide. See the difference, jQuery makes the code shorter and easier to read. A brief history of jQuery. jQuery was created to solve a big problem. JavaScript was too complex. Now how it's all started. Now it's started in 2006. The birth of jQuery. John Rising introduced jQuery to make JavaScript simpler and more powerful. Now the next is 2010. jQuery becomes first. It becomes the most popular JavaScript library used by companies like Google and Microsoft. In the 2015 to 2020, the rise of modern JavaScript frameworks, new frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js gained popularity, but jQuery is still widely used. Now today, jQuery is still relevant. Millions of websites still use jQuery for quick and simple tasks. Now next is how to use jQuery in your web page. To use jQuery, you need to add the jQuery library to your HTML file. The easiest way is use to a CDN, content delivery network. Here is the first step. Add jQuery to your HTML file. Now you can see here is the script. Place this script inside the head section or before the closing tag. Now this will load jQuery from an online source. Now step 2, let's write a simple jQuery script where clicking a button shows an alert message. Here is the code. Now we open this our code editor. Now you can see HTML file. Here is our jQuery code. Now you can see inside this script tag. Now here is the dollar document. It's ensure jQuery runs only after the page is fully loaded. Now here you can see dollar my hash my button. It is the ID, or it's execute when the button is clicked. Now the third one is a alert hello, you click the button. Now here shows a pop-up message. Now when you open this page in a browser and click the button, an alert box will appear. Now we can click here on click me. Now you can see here is the alert box, hello, you click the button. Okay, now you can see here is the script tag. Now you can see here jQuery CDN URL here. Now if we remove that, now you can see here is the button click me. Then when I click on this button, now you can see it's not working. Why? Because we not connected with jQuery. So here we paste it CDN. Now you can see if we click on click me, now you can see here it's working. So friends, jQuery is a powerful, simple and time-saving JavaScript library. It helps developing create interactive website without writing long and complex code. In the next sections, we will explore jQuery selectors, how to find and modify HTML elements, and jQuery events, how to handle user interaction. Then next is jQuery effects, how to create an animations. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Keep smiling and happy coding. Thank you.